Tips to help you become an affiliate marketing expert. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra cash from the comfort of your own house. If you would like to create an affiliate site, but have questions or don't know where to begin, then this video is for you. Follow these simple and easy tips to get started on a successful affiliate site. Keep your role in mind. As an affiliate marketer, you do not have to be a hard sale artist with a slick pitch. Just let people know about how the products you endorse can benefit them. Be sincere and genuine, but don't turn them off with a high-powered, hard sell campaign. The company that produces the product already has well-researched sales materials in place. To promote your affiliate marketing business, you should set up various URLs that point to your affiliate link. Web addresses that contain relevant search terms will show up higher in the rankings and entice people who are looking for more information about that term to click through and purchase. A great affiliate marketing tip is to only join an affiliate program if you can see yourself being a customer of that company. If it looks like a company isn't churning out impressive results, or if their sales letter doesn't look any good, you should move on to a different company. The two factors that matter the most in marketing are how much effort you put out, and what your strategies are. Through failure you can find a good strategy. Don't get discouraged. You must be able to learn from mistakes that you have made. A successful affiliate site needs to be attractive to your online customers and audience. In order to do so, you need to put in consistent updates and effort to make sure your site is up to date. If you persistently follow these tips, you will see a large boost in your profits and results. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.